I'm with Queen City Mentoring Academy. We have 60 cadets that we have here watching the mock fatal car crash. It's actually driving while drunk. We try to educate them and get them to see the seriousness of drinking and driving. I think this will teach the kids not to drink and drive when they're of age, but I think it's a great illustration of how serious drinking and driving can be when it becomes fatal.
That's my son! Honestly, my son!
General reaction was like one of the officers, they were pretending that his son crashed. And so then I said it was real because the car looked real, and then the reaction of Officer Harrison made me thought this is real, his son must have crashed. I thought that it was fake, it was just a simulation to see how they responded to that type of event.
And what are you hoping to learn this year?
To not text and drive or drink and drive or do drugs or bad drugs. So do good things and don't do bad things in life. Make good choices.